I Sing the 80s.
Hello, hi, this is I Sing the 80s, and y'all, I've had a whirlwind of all kinds of different hair experiences. I'm going to do a real short, one of the shorts to show you all these hair products I have. But right now, I'm using Strands of Faith. I just took my braids out. If you look at my video shorts, you'll see that process to see what it looked like before and after. I'm going to put it right back in braids because I'm just not dealing with my hair. I don't want my hands in my hair because I have breakage right up here at the crown, and this is where my breakage always is, and I'm just like, oh, it's terrible, and I need to clip these ends, and I am. Before I braid it back, I'm going to clip these ends, so I'll probably clip like that much off. I need to have my hair clipped all the way around, and I will, but I want to, I really need to concentrate on the health of my hair. What I'm about to do now is I'm going to use the Strands of Faith. This is the refreshing spray. This is the moisturizing cream. And this is the Blessed Strands Elixir. So I'm going to use these three products and I'm going to braid my hair right back up. So, and why am I doing that? Like I said, I just want to keep my hands out of my hair, and I'm trying to really promote the health of my hair. My hair's just not healthy. It hasn't been in a while, but I have this summer to work on that, and baby, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm spraying it with this. Y'all, I love the smell. It's really light and airy. It's not like a heavy scent. This is just the product that I'm going to use first. And so what I'm going to do this summer is you'll see, if you look at my shorts, you'll see all the products I have. And so the Strands of Faith, this is the first one that I'm going to use. I'm going to use it all up. I'm going to wash my hair every week. I'm going to condition it. And I'm going to concentrate on one product to get it done. And once I am finished that product, y'all, then I'm going to the next one. Sorry for the noise. I'm just dropping stuff. Then I'm going to the next one because I have so many products and I need to use them. So this is a moisturizing cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hair. I'm not gonna show you braiding my hair because you don't need to see that. But I'm just putting the moisturizing cream. I'm gonna really concentrate on that spot in the middle because, like I said, it is. I need to show you a close-up of it. So once I finish using this, and I'm not sure how long it's going to take for me to use up all the products, but once I finish using it, then I'm just going to move on to the next one. And so I'm going to seal it in with the Blessed Strands Elixir. They have an elixir that is supposed to be. I'm going to put it in my hand because that's how I like to do it, and just put it all over. They have one that's for the ends of your hair. You see, I'm going to concentrate on the ends because that's where I really need to get those clipped. And you see my hair is drawing up, which is fine with me because it's going right back in those braids. And like I said, watch my shorts to see when I took it down. And y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you do, that's great. If you don't, it's fine. I'm still going to be concentrating on the health of my hair. I'm also using Curly Hair Crisis. Check her out on YouTube. She has some products, some tea, fenugreek tea. So I have some fenugreek tea I'm drinking. And she also has these fenugreek tablets that I'm going to be taking as well. But it's all about the health of my hair this summer. I'm concentrating on it. I'm going to be putting up videos so you can see either my hair transform or I'm going to cut it all off and start over again. So like, comment, subscribe. Please just check it out. And look at my shorts, y'all, because I'm about to show you all the products that I have and what I'm going to be using on this journey to healthy hair this summer. All right, bye.